Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro Yen, definitely looks like the end of a wave 3 on the monthly. If it is the end of a wave 3, then I think we are very likely in a very corrective, probably overlapping pattern, which potentially will last 6 to 8 months, most likely a wave 4, then eventually go back up for a wave 5, probably going to at least a 38 or a 50% Fibonacci retracement. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first push down is likely a wave A. Whether the wave A is over or not, I think is still kind of debatable. I still think there's actually a chance that it might continue down more, and it is actually all still part of the wave A, but there is definitely a chance that we could possibly already be in that wave B and then possibly go down later on for that wave C. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we really still haven't broken structure to the upside, which is why I still think that we could be in that wave A. I still think this could be an ABC correction, and this possibly could now already be going down. Maybe there still is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 to come for this wave A. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, so if price does go up and break this high right here, then I definitely would start looking for longs again. But for now, I'm definitely looking at this move up as possibly a correction to this move down. So if this move up does make a lower high, does make a nice engulfing move to the downside, then I definitely would take it as a short. I do suspect that this is a wave 3, this ABC is a wave 4, and that we're going down for the wave 5. But like I said, if it breaks that high, that definitely will cause me to look for buys. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down, which is very clearly 5 waves down. So I think this move up possibly is a correction to those 5 waves down. So I'm watching these Fibonacci levels very, very closely. If we make a nice big engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely take it as a short potentially for the continuation of this downtrend. I would like to see 3 waves, so possibly it could do something like that, then make the engulfing move down, which would make for a much, much clearer entry because that would be a more proper looking ABC, like this over here, 1, 2, 3 waves up. So I'm definitely still looking for shorts as long as it doesn't break this high right here. If it does break that high, then I'll stop looking for shorts and start looking for buys again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.